What's up guys, Sam Acevedo here. Welcome to another video. So for this video, this is part 2. I got my boy Renee in the back. He's in the trunk. So what up? Okay. So in the last video, I'll post it up here if you haven't checked it out. The last video we installed a Fujitsu exhaust on the S2000. So on this video, we're gonna tackle the suspension. We're gonna remove the OEM suspension and put a set of Ohlins Coilovers. That should be good. Let's take a look at the boxes. So this is what you get. 2 boxes here. This box has a bunch of stickers. Oh, look at this. This is the the Evasive Motorsports S2000. Now I ordered, don't mind the noise back there, that's Renee pulling the car apart. I actually ordered the skateboard deck.
Oh, okay.
I actually have it in the office.
Oh, nice.
It's I think it's this one that I got. But
Thank you.
so there are the springs. Bunch of tops. So I guess I should read the directions. What the heck is this? Can you open this for me? It's hard to do with one hand.
It's up. It's up.
Oh, there it is. My guy. I mean, through the plastic, it looks pretty awesome. Yes, thank you. Woo-wee! Sexy town. This looks good. Looks good. So these are the Ohlins Advanced Suspension. This is the DFV. And I ordered the, it's gotta be in here somewhere, but the Sake Bomb forks. Can you open that for me, sir? I'm assuming that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That was good. Now this allows you to go a little lower. I don't think I'm gonna go that low. What do you think we install these anyway? Just because they look good. But then I just don't go that low.
That's fine.
Right?
Yeah.
So this you can buy this off of Evasive for like extra like $250. I figured I'd do it anyways, just to make sure that I have it if I wanted it for the future. So there's the set. First thing is to remove the front or back? What do you think?
This back one is the easiest.
All right, so we're gonna do the back. I have a feeling that it's gonna come out pretty easy, and then we're gonna do the front. The front, I believe we have to remove the top arm.
Okay.
And the only other thing is on the driver's side of the rear, we have to remove the gas filler like part. This way we can have space in the trunk. Again, guys, this is not a how-to. But we will show you if we do run into any issues, we'll definitely capture that.
That is it.
Okay, so Renee. So I see that there's one bolt literally coming out. I'm hoping that I wasn't driving that like that.
You were not.
Okay, so what size bolt is that? That's a
14.
That's a 14?
I think so.
Damn, I would have guessed 17.
Maybe 17. I think it's 17. I'm not sure. Took it out a while ago.
So it's either 14 or 17.
Oh my god.
It's fine. It's fine. It's.
No, you got me confused. Now we gotta go in here and get a 17.
I think it's a 17.
It's a 17. It's a 17.
All right, so it's a 17. So that bolt is literally the only one that we gotta take out from the bottom control arm. So that's that. And then once you disassemble your trunk and make it look like a mess, right? There's what? Where's the
214s.
The 214s there?
Inset, yep.
So 214s there. Once you do those, literally should just drop.
Yep.
So let's do that. I'm imagining this should just fall.
Shortly.
Here we go. Here we go. Coming down.
Okay, it's up. It's up. It's up. But hasn't fallen because it's tight. It's tight.
All right.
Let's step on that.
I'll step on it.
Right?
There we go. That's out.
That's it.
That's one. Okay, so here we are on the front. So what we do here?
Ready?
Yeah.
So,
So-
17 at the bottom,
17 in the bottom. That's out. Boom.
12 for the brake line,
12 for the brake line. That's out.
2 17s,
17
control arm.
control arm. That which were super easy. Now, okay, so that pulls out just a smidge,
Yep.
and then
14's on top.
14 at the top. Okay, and then it should drop. All right, little shake and bake. Oh, that was. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. Yeah, right there. That was easy. Nice. Okay. Right.
Better, but yeah, I got you.
Okay.
You look cute.
All right. So, this was a little bit of a pain in the butt. Ohlins, I don't know what's happening over there. Okay, I appreciate your quality because it feels and looks great. But dude, have it together. Like me and Renee are sitting on the floor for what?
An hour.
Almost an hour? Not that's a long time. Maybe.
It's gonna be 4.
Okay, maybe an hour trying to figure out one. I don't know which spring was front, or rear. Like that took me a minute, and then the whole thing. But it's all together. It's all good. The instructions are actually pretty decent on how to put it together. But this is what it looks like. This is using the stock or the Ohlins fork mount, right? Because the socket mount. Honestly. Compared to this, that's low.
Yes.
That's a good 4 inches that it'll take off right off the bat. So we're gonna try with this and then see if we need this later. So this is the front. We're gonna do the front first and then we're gonna do the back. We're gonna start on this side. We're gonna go by the brake mount. And so all the settings are in the instructions. Preload was set from the instructions and also the height adjustment. So this is recommended setting. We're gonna go with this and then see if we need to adjust. Okay. Coilovers are done. Timer on that was 30 minutes all the way around. Installation. Removing, I don't know if we timed it, but it's about 30 to 40 minutes. So an hour to an hour and a half, right? We didn't have any issues, no bolt issues, no rust issues, nothing seized. So it's pretty smooth. So each corner is in. Let me show you real quick. So that's the front. Literally only a bolt at the bottom, the brake line, and that's all that's holding it, plus the two at the top. But you do have to remove the upper control arms. The back. One bolt at the bottom, two at the top on the inside of the trunk. There you go, two there. Same thing with the left side. Left side is a little bit more difficult because of the gas filler line here. But it is back there. Now, anybody that has an not an Integra, a S2000 out there, with an S2000, if I wanted to adjust the rear, how do you guys do it? Do they have extensions? Does Olin have extensions? Can I put aftermarket extenders on it with a little knob like through the panel? Because that back there, that's gonna be annoying. But so comment below. All right, this is the driver's side, same thing. Looks beautiful. And then the front. Dampening set to recommend the setting of, I think it was 10 or 15. 15, 20? All right, 15, 20, but I went 15. So right in the middle. So all there's to do, let me get my, Renee, how you like those fries? So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna put the tires on or wheels on and see what it looks like. So here we go. That does it for this video. Renee, again, thank you for your help. I appreciate it, man. So the suspension's in. I'm gonna put a couple of B-rolls of the car on the coilovers. So what I'm gonna do is rock the recommended height for now. I'm gonna rock it for maybe 2 weeks, see if it settles a little, and then get an alignment, and then see if I could drop it a little bit. Just enough to pull out of my driver. So right now it sits where I have about 1 inch. So, all right guys, well check the next video. The next video is gonna be for the front lip, so check that out. All right guys, peace.